Hello everyone, my name is Muskan. I am a legal intern at Lex and Click company. So today's topic of discussion is nuisance under thoughts. So let's proceed with our topic. First is introduction. A person is in possession of a property is entitled to his undisturbed enjoyment as per law. However, if someone adds improper use or enjoyment in his property ends up resulting into an unlawful interference with his enjoyment or use of that property or of some of the rights over it, or in connection with it, we can say that the thought of nuisance has occurred. The word nuisance has been derived from the old French word nuire, which means to cause harm or to hurt or to annoy. The Latin word for nuisance is nuisere, which means to cause harm. Nuisance is an injury to the right of a person's possession of his property to undisturbed enjoyment of it, and results from an improper usage by another individual. Definition by various thinkers. According to Salman, nuisance consists in causing or allowing to cause without lawful justification the escape of any distress thing from one's land or from anywhere into land in possession of the plaintiff, such as water, smoke, gas, heat, electricity, etc. Essential elements of nuisance: wrongful act. Any act which is done with the intention to cause the infringement of the legal rights of another is considered to be a wrongful act. Damage or loss or annoyance caused to another individual. Damage or loss of annoyance must be such which the law should consider as a substantial material for the claim. Kinds of nuisance: public nuisance and private nuisance. Public nuisance. Indian Penal Code defines nuisance as an act which causes any common injury, danger or annoyance to the people in general who dwell or occupy the property. In the vicinity of which must necessarily cause injury, obstruction, danger or annoyance to the people who may have occasion to use any public right. Private nuisance is that kind of nuisance in which person's enjoyment of his property is ruined by another. It may also injuriously affect the owner of the property by physically injuring his property or by affecting the enjoyment of the property. Unlike public nuisances, private nuisance and individual uses or enjoyment of property is ruined as distinguished from the public or society at large. The remedy for private nuisance is a civil action for damages or injunction or both. Elements which constitute a private nuisance: the interference must be unreasonable or unlawful. Defendant had wrongfully obstructed a public navigable creek which obstructed the defendant for transporting his goods through the creek, due to which he had to transport his goods through, and because of which he suffered extra costs in the transportation. A nuisance be in respect of either property or physical discomfort. Property. In the case of nuisance with respect to the property, any sensible injury to the property will be enough to support an action for the damages. Physical discomfort. In a suit of nuisance arising out of physical discomfort, these are two essential conditions required. There are many valid defences available to an action for thought. These are prescription. The science of prescription explained in section 26 of Limitation Act and section 50 of Easements Act. Easements Act. These are three essentials to establish a property's right by prescription. These are use or enjoyment of the property, identity of the thing property enjoyed, it should be unfavorable to the rights of another individual. Statutory authority. The statutory authority may be either absolute or conditional. There are three kinds of remedies available in case of nuisance. Injunction. Injunction is the judicial order restraining a person from doing or continuing an act which might be threatening or invading the legal rights of another. Damages. Damages may be offered in terms of compensation to the aggrieved party. These could be nominal damages. Abatement. Abatement of nuisance means the removal of nuisance by the party who has suffered without any legal proceedings. So that's all for today. If you like my video, do like, comment and subscribe the Lex Click YouTube channel. Thank you.